Of course you can sue. That lawyer was wrong. No problem. Hi, Garry Salomon here. I am an injury lawyer in New Jersey, where most people have a restriction as part of their car insurance called the limitation on lawsuit threshold. It's also called limited tort or verbal threshold. What that means is you can sue for all of your injuries as long as one injury is permanent, such as a torn ligament, meniscus, herniated or bulging disc, TMJ, and many other injuries. You can also sue, obviously, for death, loss of a limb, fetus, significant scar, displaced fracture, and an injury to a body part that does not heal to function normally again. If a commercial vehicle, like a truck, caused the accident, or if you don't own a car and you don't live with a blood relative that owns a car, then the threshold does not even apply. Generally, that's not hard to get around, and a skilled personal injury lawyer will break the New Jersey limitation on lawsuit threshold with the right medical proof. So if you have a question about what is the limitation of lawsuit threshold, just call me at 201-444-4444.